બધાને જય જલારામ. His Excellency Satishji. Satishji, I don't have to remember your name, because we have something in common, and that is Satish, the name. My dear brothers and sisters, of course, my wife is here, so I should also say, not all, but my wife, brothers and sisters. Thank you very much, for an excellent gathering. It's really, let us have a big round of applause, for all of you. This really would not have been possible, without your support. We dreamt it. Satishji, you may not be knowing, what is Lohanas, I don't know whether I'm told that, you do a lot of homework, and then you come for any gathering. But Lohanas, we are going to have, later after probably you leave, we have some history. We have made, some clips, on history. But let me tell you that, we are an organized community, an apex body, established in 1952. Which was, now it is getting roughly about 23 years, 73 years of this thing. We are almost getting into 75th year, later, next year from 74, 2025, so 73 years. We are an apex body, we believe, all our Mahajan and Sanstha's apex body. So even in small town, we have Mahajans across the globe. And the apex body is Lohana Mahaparishad. We do a lot of philanthropic work, like, educating child. We have our own hostels, we have our own, we also have hospitals in Rajkot, schools, and so on. But basically, we are all the businessmen. The business is in our blood. And we are born leaders. Wherever you see, whether Ashok Bhai Kotecha, you would find him heading, Swaminarayan Mandir. Our Yogi Bapa, we have to remember. We have business leaders like Uday Kotak. We have got Parimal Nathwani. We have got the gentleman, Dr. Hasmukh Bhai Adhia, who is instrumental in rolling out, GST. We have Dr. Sudhir Bhai Ruparelia, renowned name. Mehta family, we have what do you call Mehtas, Madhwanis, we have got Dr. Sudhir Mayurbhai Madhwani here somewhere. Dhamechas in London. We have got, all over, we have a mix of brilliant businessmen and professionals across the globe. Let me tell you, we have about 250 chartered accountants here, and they are also extremely well placed. They are also doing a fantastic job, in various government departments and so on. The idea of LIBF came to our mind because we thought that, we have businesses across several countries, though we are connected with 37, but, if we really go deep into it, we were very sure that, we are in many more countries, than 37 countries. Slowly, we are gathering data and, trying to connect with each other. Now, business is one thing, which is very important for all of us. It is in our blood. And that is the reason, why we are here. Now, our tagline is, Aao મળીએ અને મેળવીએ. ભાઈઓ, અહીંયા તમે બધા જે આવ્યા છો, કંઈક ને કંઈક એક તો સપોર્ટ ઓફકોર્સ તમને એમ થયું એની અંદર કે આપણે લુહાણાનું ગેધરિંગ થાય છે એની અંદર અને we must explore. Some of you probably have joined us from day one, probably from Uganda and then Gandhinagar. Some of you have come for the first time. But let me tell you one thing. Basic interest, હું આને પરિચય મેળવું. Satish Bhai, I'm also talking a little bit in Gujarati, because that is our mother tongue. હું આને એક પરિચય મેળો કહું છું. પરિચય મેળાની અંદર દીકરા દીકરીઓને ભેગા કરવાનું કામ જે છે એ પરિચય મેળો જે સંભાળતા હોય એનું હોય એની અંદર પણ બેઝિકલી દીકરા અને દીકરીનું કામ પોતાનું પાત્ર ઢૂંઢવાનું હોય છે એની અંદર. So my job is to bring you together. Our job rather is to bring you together. And અહીંયા આગળ we are going to make so many experiments from tomorrow. We don't want Rajkot people sitting on Rajkot tables. We don't want people coming from same country. We don't want them to sit on the same table. So we'll be making certain experiments. Like we will make them sit on sector wise. So they really can meet their own sector people. Next time also we would like to make some experiments and make the people who were born in January and February. So people who are sitting in front may not have to be sitting in front all the time. How this is made possible? I can think of my brother Vijay Bhai Karya. Let us big round of applause for Vijay Bhai Karya, who has been my very, very great support. Subhash Bhai Thakrar. I cannot forget you, Subhash Bhai, what a wonderful, my initial support. But Tamil Lokona, I don't know how many of you know that when you start any business, you require a seed capital. The first time, who was who offered, because we were without money, Dollar Bhai, when I went first time, to Munyono, because we decided that it would be calling, Africa Calling. Then I went and met Dr. Sudhir Bhai. He said, how many of you are expecting? I said, about 100. And then, for him, that Munyono resort, it's in about 100, 150, 200 acres, And that went into 950. But, he never asked that, okay, fine, you want to book a room, you want to book this, you need to pay money, So we are very in debt. We are very, Sudhir Bhai, is the key person, who, he started, the ball started rolling, because of his support. Then came, Chetan Bhai. Chetan Bhai said that, look, I'm not interested in platinum and all. I would like to give you something extraordinary. And Chetan Bhai came and, he said that, look, I would like to pledge $35,000 and here is the money because you need seed capital. And he started, this, Let us have a big round of applause. And the Sanjay Bhai too, Sanjay Bhai, aji gai kale mane kidhu anything. He told me yesterday, Satish Bhai, when is next? Sanjay Bhai, it is like this, Wi-Fi delivery કરી હોય અને તમે એને કહો કે આપણે જે છે હજી ડિલિવરી કરીને ખબર પૂછવા ગયા હોય ને તમે પૂછો કે બીજું બાળકની આપણે પ્લાનિંગ ક્યારે કરે તો તમને એક લાફો મારે એની અંદર. So situation is this, that look, but we are absolutely energetic because of you people, you are so wonderful support. Sanjay Bhai, Euro Exim Bank has been supporting from day one. Likewise, Dr. Sudhir Bhai Ruparelia, Yuvraj Bhai Thakkar, and Kanta, Rasmi Bhai Chatwani and the Kanta Group, and my friend, Dr. Amara Ketan Bhai Kotecha, Sanjay Bhai Morjaria. I don't know how many names could I take, but because of your support, I'm here. Keep supporting. Let us explore all possibilities. Oh, Manoj Bhai is here. Manoj Bhai, my friend Manoj Bhai, kem છો તમે? Dubai આવ્યા, when we met a group of people, you should really require a good people, Section 8 company. Let me just get back to you that, how we came into LIBF. Lohana Mahaparishad is a charitable trust. We could not start a business. So, the first event happened, in Speak Resort. Then we started a company, which is Lohana International Business Forum. Lohana International Business Forum is a Section 8 company, which is a non-profit company. And let me tell you that, our accounts are on website. They are all audited. We have 22 directors. Many of the directors are sitting in front here. They really don't have to be directors. They don't need recognition. Most of them, are already, they are excellent in their own fields. They are here because, they would like to connect. They would like to do something for the community. We really a very, very big round of applause, for my directors, who have been supporting, all sponsors, directors, and the local team. I would say that, Shailesh Bhai, where is Shailesh Bhai Jasani? Somewhere here? Shailesh Bhai Jasani is a chartered accountant. Our Rakesh Bhai Kanabar is a chartered accountant. Done a wonderful job. અને આ બધાની અંદર જે છે સૌથી એક્સલન્ટમાં એક્સલન્ટ જો કામ કર્યું એની અંદર તો વેરી 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 વન્ડરફુલ જોબ ઇઝ ડન બાય અશોકભાઈ કોટેચા. કેન વી હેવ અ બિગ રાઉન્ડ ઓફ અપ્લોઝ ફોર અશોકભાઈ? જો અશોકભાઈ કોટેચા ન હોત તો આ ચોક્કસ પોસિબલ નહોતું. વી હેવ પીપલ ફ્રોમ 30 સેક્ટર્સ. ખૂબ નાના નાના ગામોમાંથી આવ્યા છે. We had 22 countries, 137, 38 cities near the first event started. Gandhinagar was 12,000 footfall and roughly about 32 countries. I don't know how many countries, I really have to have a data, but I'm sure that, there are people from several countries across the globe. I don't want to take much of your time because CG also has to do, but, we are here to get something. And if you really would like to get something, the best way is to interact with each other. Best thing is to, be proactive. Don't wait for other Luhanas, to come and greet you. Go and greet them. Go and talk to them. Just say hi and hello. Even if you find somebody, who's a little bit arrogant, because, arrogancy is in our blood, so, it doesn't matter. We really have to improve upon ourselves. I can show you that, I have done it any other. એક ગોળ ખાતા હતા એની અંદર એક મહારાજ પાસે કે સિદ્ધાર્થ એક ગોળ મહારાજ જે છે ને એની પાસે એની મમ્મી પ્રતિજ્ઞા લેવા ગયેલી કે મારો દીકરો ગોળ બહુ ખાય છે. મહારાજ કે એક અઠવાડિયા પછી આપો અને હું પછી પ્રતિજ્ઞા પાણી મુકાવરાવું એને. એક અઠવાડિયા પછી ગઈ અને એની મમ્મી એની સ્વામી એને બાધા મુકાવી કે ભાઈ ઓકે તું ગોળ નહીં ખાતો. એની મમ્મી એને પૂછ્યું કે તમે અઠવાડિયું કર્યું આટલી સિમ્પલ વાત ને કે હું જ ગોળ ખાતો હતો. એટલે એમ કે હું એને ક્યાંથી કહી શકું કે તું બાધા લે. પણ આઈ કેન ટેલ યુ વન થિંગ કે મેં બાધા લીધી છે કે આઈ એમ નોટ ગોઈંગ ટુ બી એરોગન્ટ. I am going to be approaching you whether you like me or not. And this is what I expect from you. Thank you so much. And I say that our મળીએ મેળવીએ. Thank you so much.